this GoPro is actually about to die. Not good. But I took my muffler off. And by the time you see this video, I'll be in Ohio. So I don't really care if you see exactly where I kept the bike. I'm about to go do a video. My boy Jonathan's car. Be my last vlog of in South Carolina. This kind of sucks, but this is gonna be pretty loud. All right, guys, here we go. That is stupid loud, but everybody can hear me coming now. Holy crap! People are not gonna miss me here. I tell you what, I need to get new grips. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this. I might not. Don't know. Wow, it is loud. Oh, I forgot to clean my visor. Woo, the inside of my arm is getting cold. Try to keep it relatively quiet going through here. Yeah, so it is actually really loud. Don't know how much I like it like loud. Maybe there's like a smaller muffler, I don't know, like smaller than mine. Forgot to button my damn helmet up here. Oh man, it is chilly when you get to moving. Sounds like a damn Harley almost. Damn, this thing is loud, dude. Maybe you guys can actually hear it through my mic now. I noticed in some videos you can't even hear the bike because it adjusts to my voice. Oh yeah. Woo, I might put that back on. Oh yeah, the crackles, baby. So let me explain why I put the exhaust back on. First of all, look at this. I've been sick for the past couple of days. I came down here to a huge freaking spider. It doesn't look that big on camera, but it was on the side of my laptop bag, and I just freaking soaked it. I didn't care. I was gonna burn it. I was prepared to burn it. This whole house is going up in flames. But I put the slip-on back on because when you would let off of the throttle, it'd make this sound I didn't like too much. It sounded like it had this really rattly, tinny noise that I can't really explain. It kind of lost its preciseness. Like when I would rev match and blip the throttle, it wouldn't blip. It would just kind of be like, bleh. And it didn't really sound very nice. But I'll put little blurps in here. So that's what it sounded like. I didn't really like that too much. So maybe you got, I mean, it sounded good when you got on it. I like how loud it was. The loudness was fine. But, you know, I just didn't like the sound when you let off. It didn't really sound, it sounded like it sounded ricerish to me. That's what it sounded like. I don't know. Let's get back to the video. Crackle. Oh yeah, I like that sound. that's the end of the video. You guys let me know if you got an MT07, what exhaust setup do you have on yours? Do you got it like stock? Do you got this exhaust, because I know it's the cheapest one out there? Do you have it just straight piped or what? Let me know, and I want to hear some suggestions and all that stuff. Maybe some suggestions for grips and all that. So you guys let me know, and I will see you in the next video.